handsome, he's lost his hair. So he's eating free shank, but he can play rugby. Kieran Todd on the wing. Can we do something about these strips? I have no idea who's who. What a player, what a bloke, what a man. Tom Logan, absolute wheels. Matty Allen, Fraser Allen Fitness. I've got one of Fraser Allen's best men up on the stage. What are your honest opinions on Fraser Allen Fitness? Well, my front bike, run really quick. Apologies for the swear words. I would like to pass my sincere apologies for everyone else who has offended anyone, and the swear words that have been told, none of them have been from me. It was all Paula. And here's Waylon Jennings. If none of you know who Waylon Jennings is, you're not allowed here. A proper musician. And that's a good try by the Dragoons. This is going to be one hell of a game. The Harrow 5 boys are doing every bit of support they can possibly get, apart from Fraser Allen, because Fraser Allen is a great bloke. Fraser Allen makes Williams cry. When Fraser Allen writes, he makes paper bleed. Fraser Allen can strangle you with his formless phone. Fraser Allen can build a snowman out of rain. Fraser Allen once punched a man in the soul. Fraser Allen can drown a fish. The quickest way to a man's heart is with Fraser Allen's fist. When Fraser Allen does a press up, he pushes the earth down. Fraser Allen has never worn a watch. He decides what time it is. The Great Wall of China was originally created to keep Fraser Allen out. It didn't work.
Phone me. I think it's one try all. Can you chop my coffee up? Thanks, man. Cheers.
Go on!
Mark, can you do me another favour? Can you open this back and try and find another one of these batteries? Like that. It's a big battery. That bit means, yeah, there's it.
I've got an interview with my favourite ginger, Greg Pearson. And the high five has just scored! Woo! Greg Pearson, what's your thoughts on the high five just scoring?
Brilliant.
What's your thoughts on being ginger?
Horrible.
What's your thoughts on Sunday?
Under there now. Oh, that'll do.
Thank you very much, Greg Pearson.
Thanks, mate. Hey, I got my screen back. I don't know why it was not
I would
working.
love to tell you the score, but I have absolutely no idea. I'm hoping the Halifax in the lead. All I do know is this is a great song. And high five, a big half here. Praise God and fitness, I believe in you. He's got the neck the size of an Angus bull. Go on, Gregor! Go on, Gregor! Super 6! A good try in the corner. Great try by Douglas Smith. Can he make the conversion? So, especially when you super six. The score is 19-12 to the Hall of Fame. I hope. Don't know how. That is the best player on the planet, first round of fitness. Great bloke, great player. Not 10, not 10. I'm struggling to keep my impartiality. Oh, send him off, mate! Send him off! Do you know what our tackle is?
Go on, T. Please honor me for another great tackle. I would hate to meet him down. I'd hate to meet him down a dark alley. The things he would Go on,
do to
boys.
me.
Go on, boys. Yes, go, go, go.
Follow! Yes! Lock on there! Go on there, rise it!
Thank you.
Adrian.
He's really hurt. He's always seems to be limping.
Fraser Allen has counted to infinity twice.
That guy on the
Fraser Allen died 10 years ago. The Big was too scared to tell him.
like, it's a bit cringy to be like hassling on the
Then
team.
the boogeyman
Really
goes to
cringy, I
sleep
think.
every night. He checks his closet for Fraser Allen fitness. Hand sanitizer kills 99% of what he wants. Fraser Allen kills 100% of what he wants to. Fraser Allen can divide by 0. Fraser Allen will run the length of the picture.
Yes.
That's it, that's the goal. Come on, Al. 2 more minutes. Douglas Smith. Super 6 superstar on the pitch.
Gonna get knocked out here.
Gregor Smith, remembered by 0% of Stirling County players.
Go!
Stephen Gregg, we'll go back to the cafe, please. Stephen Gregg to the cafe. Nice to turn over there. He had the ball in his hands. Bloody hell, that's not what we wanted. If he gets a conversion, it's 19 all. Up by Gumby.
He's hurting, huh?
I'm glad to chat to the newlyweds, or soon to be weds. Any pre-match nerves? Share with yourself? I'm not surprised you're in the double.
Did he get the kick?
19-0 final score, we're going into sudden death. Running reporter, Ainsley, I'd just like to come to you as a best Smith brother. What are your thoughts on Jinky growing up?
Oh, come on, boy. Come on.
Agree, I'd rather Dave. One word came to mind from Ainsley, and that was embarrassed. Mike, as I'm chatting about Jinky Smith, my landlord, your thoughts on him being compared to Johnny McGinty? I agree they look very similar, and also agree they share the same haircut. You have to wonder, who was the parents? And now we're going to Sunday. Our 5 versus thing is Royal Dragoons. What are you ready?
Come on. Why are we picking to them? That's not fair.
Carolina's got 2 new hits. Carolina has also 2 new hits. Mama, bloody hell, mama, mama. I'd like to thank everyone for listening to me. That'll be the end of me today.
Maybe it's a certain amount of time. It's not first try wins. Come on.
That is Super 6. I've never really heard of Super 6.
Agony. He's in a lot of pain. They're not swapping.
Go on! Go on! No! Come on, Dylan! Ho! 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 Yeah, beauty! PG. I'd like to apologise again to everyone. Yeah, Tommy Walker. No. I would love to pass over to Roy Johnson, and I would love to apologise to absolutely fucking nobody. That was Roy Johnson, and no way for me in the half-hour club, and also a plumber. Dave Smith, what are the allegations of you being elected Jungle Gunter right?
Top guy. Go on to Jeff, top guy.
More to come. There must be like another half or something there. These two halves.
I'm really glad to announce to everybody in a break of play,
Good.
Stephen Player, affectionately known as Slim, has got engaged to Courtney. Who else do we know?
I know what we're talking about. Slim.
Stephen Player. Thank you very much. a great tackle by him in the corner. Western County Actors on the rugby pitch. Really, I'm very fast. I'm not playing because I'm on the speaker. A great game.